Welcome to another essential lesson in business English. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for anyone in customer service or client-facing roles: managing upset, emotional, or angry customers. Dealing with upset customers can be one of the toughest aspects of a job. Whether you're a customer service representative or someone in a position that involves working directly with clients, you're bound to encounter situations where emotions run high. Customers might be frustrated, disappointed, or even outright angry. It's crucial to equip yourself with strategies and language tools to address these situations positively, ensuring the customer feels heard, calms down, and ideally chooses to continue using your services. Let's start with 4 fundamental tips to handle such scenarios effectively. First, stay calm. Remaining calm is non-negotiable. Whether the customer is upset in person, over the phone, or through another channel, your ability to stay composed is key. Take a moment to breathe, maintain a neutral tone, and focus on finding a solution. If their anger escalates, allowing them to express themselves briefly can help diffuse the situation. This calm demeanor not only helps you think clearly, but also reassures the customer that you're in control and ready to assist. Listen actively. Listening is more than just hearing. It's about understanding. When customers are upset, they need to feel heard. Give them the space to explain their concerns without interruption. Acknowledge their frustration with phrases like, "I'm sorry to hear that. Please tell me more." This approach allows the customer to release their emotions, which can help them relax. Active listening also involves paraphrasing their concerns to confirm your understanding and show you're engaged. Show empathy. Empathy is about putting yourself in the customer's shoes. Acknowledge their feelings and validate their experience. For example, instead of a generic response like "I'm sorry to hear that," try something more heartfelt. "I understand how frustrating this must be for you. That sounds really inconvenient, and I'm here to help resolve it for you." Genuine empathy is both a mindset and a skill, requiring you to connect with the customer on an emotional level. Offer meaningful support. Ultimately, your goal is to provide solutions that address the customer's concerns. This involves staying calm, actively listening, empathizing, and presenting a clear path to resolution. Ask yourself, what specific issues is the customer facing? What can I do to address these concerns effectively? Tailor your support to their unique situation. Reassure them with statements like, "Let's work together to fix this," or "I'll do everything I can to make this right." Key phrases to remember. Here are some expressions to use in customer service situations. To gather more details. "Could you provide more information about the issue? What exactly happened? I want to make sure I fully understand." To show empathy. "I can see why you'd feel that way. I understand how this could be frustrating for you." To confirm understanding, just to clarify, you mentioned repeat issue. "Is that correct?" To reassure support, "I'll do my best to resolve this for you. We'll work together to find a solution." Practice dialogue. Let's see how these principles apply in a real-life scenario. Customer, "I'm so frustrated. I bought this product yesterday and it's already malfunctioning." Agent, "I'm really sorry to hear that. Let me help you resolve this issue. Could you tell me more about what happened?" Customer, "The device won't even turn on after one use." Agent, "I understand how inconvenient that must be. Just to confirm, you were able to charge it initially, but now it won't power on." Customer, "Exactly." Agent, "Thank you for explaining. I'll take a closer look and make sure we fix this right away. May I examine the product?" In this example, the agent stays calm, listens actively, empathizes, and offers reassurance, all while maintaining a professional and polite tone. By practicing these strategies and incorporating the language we've discussed, you can turn challenging customer interactions into opportunities to build trust and loyalty. Thank you for joining today's lesson. If you have any questions or need clarification, drop them in the comments below and we'll respond promptly. Stay tuned for our next topic, making polite requests.